channel, glad to have you here. In today's video I am super excited to share with you something really important, and we're going to focus on what kind of books on Amazon KDP should you stop creating because they are no longer going to work, and what kind of books to focus on instead. So if you're new here to the channel, welcome back. We are talking about Amazon KDP, and you can view the full KDP series in the playlist linked in the description box below. So if you're thinking about selling books on Amazon KDP, you are definitely in the right place today. I'm going to break down why not all books succeed on Amazon KDP, especially in 2025. So stick around to learn what type of books you should avoid and how to set up yourself up for success. Now let's start with why selling books on Amazon is such a great opportunity for beginners, and we're going to start with three main reasons, starting with number one. Amazon gets billions of monthly visitors, and this is an incredible amount of potential customers. Number two, KDP is free to use, so there are absolutely no upfront cost, means less risk for you. And number three, finally, the market for books is absolutely massive. From niche books to specialty guides, the possibilities are endless. So it sounds amazing, doesn't it? But here's the catch: some books just don't work anymore, and publishing them can be a total waste of your time. So here are three types of books to avoid on Amazon KDP in 2025 and why they're not worth it. Starting with number one, low quality, low content books. Now let's be real, we've all seen those YouTube videos promising easy passive income with KDP, and they may make it sound like you can go to Canva, search for a blank notebook, slap on a generic cover, upload it to Amazon and watch all the money roll in. But the truth is, that strategy is outdated and it's oversaturated. Amazon's marketplace is flooded with poorly designed journals and planners that don't stand out. And now Amazon is cracking down on low effort submissions. Even if your book gets accepted, it's likely to get lost in a sea of similar products. So don't waste your time on generic notebooks or low content books that add no real value to the market, because you are going to lose if you do so. Instead, focus on creating something unique that resonates with a specific audience. What are the other types of books that are not going to sell? So number one, we've got the low content, generic, low quality books. Number two is the AI generated content without value. Now you could go ahead and use AI tools like ChatGPT or MidJourney. These can be incredible for creating content, but only use them thoroughly. So the key here is to focus on value. So if you're just churning out low effort AI generated books in the hopes of making a quick buck, think again. Because for instance, a poorly written children's story book with AI generated illustrations, it may pass Amazon's initial review, but once the bad reviews start piling up, your sales will tank, and worse yet, Amazon might even take your book down. And there has been reports of Amazon taking down full accounts that have been uploading low quality AI generated books, because they noticed that there has been a recurrent of negative reviews on multiple of their books. So here's how to use AI the right way. I'm not telling you to stop AI right now, but you can actually start implementing AI the correct way and reap the rewards. So first of all, create high quality recipe books with detailed instructions and beautiful layouts. You can also design engaging coloring books with wonderful patterns like geometry patterns, like mandala, for example. And you could also create well-researched ebooks that provide genuine value. And the key here is to always proofread and double fact check as well, especially when dealing with ebooks that are non-fiction. So I would like you to always ask yourself, would I buy this? If the answer is no, then do not publish it. And the type of books that you should stop creating in 2025 is ebooks without proper SEO research. So ebooks are one of the easiest categories to break into because of their high demand. They're high content books, but here's the catch: without proper keyword research, your book might never get discovered. And that's what we do here on the channel. It's one of the main things that we focus here on the channel, is creating daily videos that break down profitable, low competition, high demand keywords, among them being high content keywords for ebooks. So if you're interested in that, go ahead and subscribe to the channel in order to be well aware of the main keywords that are working. So think of keywords as the followers of Amazon's marketplace. If you don't target the right ones, your book will get buried in search results. Buyers on Amazon don't usually shop by vendor. They search for what they need and pick from the top results. And this is why understanding Amazon's algorithm is really, really important. So skipping keyword research might save you time upfront, but it's not the smartest move. The right keywords can make all the difference between a book that sells and one that doesn't. So what should you instead? Well, you should focus on 3 things. Number 1, create value in your book. Number 2, conducting thorough research and keyword research. This really helps to ensure your book gets found. And number 3 is building a long-term strategy for your publishing business. So if you're not sure where to start, I've compiled a list of high demand, low competition keywords in niches like relationships, career, parenting, travel, all under the Amazon KDP playlist in the channel, also linked in the description box below. And these niches are evergreen and they have plenty of opportunities for growth. I'll see you in the next video. Take care and have a great day.